Yeah, hi ladies and gents, this is Irene from Seriously Scrapping. I just want to share a new kit with you from I made this kit up yesterday. It's from my zibbet store. Okay. So I'll be selling this kit for $18 Australian dollars, and that's $3 shipping. That's in Australia, but overseas it will. We'll get away with the cost of a large letter. Not sure. I'll be probably on the safe side just posting it as a parcel just to be sure. Okay, so this is how it comes. It's only an extra $5 Australian dollars from letter rate to parcel rate, which is $3 US, so it's not much difference. So just to be on the safe side, I'll just post it internationally. I think it's about 25 Australian dollars. Yeah. Not sure. 25. It used to be 22 and it went up to 25 or 6. And posting it as a large letters about 20. Yeah. Okay, so this is how it looks like when you get it. So I'll just open it up. $18, I think that's very fair. You get a lot of fantastic little goodies too. So I think we'll start with these papers here. So this is like Chinese paper. I got a whole pack of and it had Chinese writing on it. I think these are the banners they put up when they're having festivals and stuff. It's really cool. There's orange and gold to it, and I just love these colors. So gorgeous. So there's that. It's quite old too, and this is quite old looking as well, and it's got the old filing system YZ on it, so each one will get different letters. This is wallpaper from the 70s. How cool is that? It's vinyl on what's it called? Flock. It says pre-washable vinyl on flock, whatever that means. And that's like a velvet flock, so that is so cool. So pretty. And there's this sheet here. There's that pink letter writing lined paper. These are some old stationery pieces. This is probably from the 80s, early 90s, and I sell a whole bunch of these in my store as well. I've got a stationery kit with just these as well, I think. So you get the paper and the matching envelope, of course, with the flowers, so that'll be pretty to use. And there's this piece here. It's got a beautiful angel. And there's another one. This is a gorgeous pastel. Beautiful pastel colors for lily pads. This one is my favorite. This is very Edith Holden looking. Isn't it gorgeous? It's got the names there of the flowers and things like that. So gorgeous. What's this one? So there's like a lily pad there. It's like a lily and all the green leaves. This is a 12 by 9. It's old vintage tracing paper for engineers or architects. So I thought this would be awesome to use for whatever. It's got a beautiful texture. It feels like it's going to crumble. It's gorgeous. And then we got this letter writing set here. So this is the envelope. It's a very large one. So it's got those gorgeous prints here, that one there, and then this is the paper, the matching paper. It's so cute. So we got that. And then there's this lot here. This is like a vellum. I think I sell these separately to in this store. It's like a vellum bag envelope thing. This would be cool. You could put a tag in there and you can embellish the front. And it's got white hearts. Can you see that? Let's see if this will fit in there so I can show you. I don't know if you're seeing those hearts. Yeah. I love this orange. It's like a pearlized orange. This is beautiful vintage envelope. You can tell it's old and good quality. It's got the little lines, you know, when you get the little lines going across. And look at that. Oh my gosh, it's so old that this is just starting to peel away here from its little stickiness. How gorgeous is that? And it's, if you wanted to, you could actually very carefully take that apart and peel this off, or you can just leave it in there. It's up to you. And that's cute. Then you'll get one of these brown. These are the 100% recycled paper. Those popular envelopes. And you'll also get 2 of these white ones as well. So if anyone's living in Australia, this is a really good deal. With shipping, it's $21 all up. So, alright. So this is now, when I make these kits up, the only thing that is going to be exactly as you see that you'll get are these charms and this lace here. In terms of colour, these other things might come in other colours. Unless you suggest otherwise. If you put in, I like these colours, I'll try to do it for those colours, yeah? So I'll show you what I'm talking about. I'll take these out. Okay. Alright, so I've done a little bouquet here. So this has got a good yard of the flat back trim. This is the 4mm one. And in the little bouquet there is a Canaan lily, I think that's called, and there's a peach fabric rose, a white one, there's a little purple paper one, and there's two more of these fabric ones with the pearls. There's a yard of this lace, the peach trim, and of course the bulb pins with the hope, the cat, and the dress. This is beautiful real crochet trim. It's very old, beautiful. Yard of that. Yo-yo flowers, aren't these gorgeous? So with these ones you could perhaps tell me what colours you like, and I'll try and put your favourite colours in there. So you'll get one little one and two ones like that. I also sell these in my store as well. I'll put a link below to my store. And also you'll get one of these wax seals. I can't guarantee what colour you'll get with it. Then you'll get 5 pictures. So these are vintage women. And of course these will be different unless you really have a preference. I can do my best to facilitate it. When you're checking out, maybe you can say I like purple and green, so I might look for images with purple and green, and also the flowers. See, there's purple and green. Do you know what I mean? And I'll do the same with the flowers as well. So I'm happy to do that. And here's 2. So you'll get a piece of bling, and these blings are blings that have come from shoes, so the back might look a bit whatever, rusty looking, and that they're not blings that I've actually bought online. They're because I go thrift store shopping a lot, so yeah, they're blings that have come off shoes. So you'll get, so they don't all look like that, you know, you'll get some different looking blings. But if I can't find, because I've got really big ones too, I'm not going to use my real big ones. So if I sell that many, I'll probably use one that I've bought that's a flat one or whatever. So you'll get one of these cute little doilies. Again, there's different colours. If you can name the colour you want, I'll try my best to do the colour. And then there are 2 of these little fabric flat quarter. Are they called flat quarters? Yeah, flat quarters. And then you will get a bag full of 22. Was it 23? I think I got 23 pieces of die cuts in here. Yeah, about that roughly. So I just get them from my various collectibles, my various Case of Craft collectibles. And again, if you tell me, look, I'm doing a journal of this and that, I can try to find die cuts of that. So for instance, here I've got die cut of, if you notice, there's a bit of peach and green going on, which are my favourite colours. Yeah, so just... yeah, like these are, there's probably 4 or 5 different collections in here, and you're probably recognising some of the collectibles. Yeah, I just haven't been crafting lately. I lost my major, and I just thought I'll do something like this. Maybe it might inspire me, or maybe inspire one of you guys to craft, maybe. Yeah, okay, so I'll put the link below of this to my store, and yeah, go check it out. Thanks guys for watching. Okay, bye.